Student class 7th exercise 11.3 question number 13. A circular flower bed is surrounded by a path 4 meter wide. This is a circular flower bed and this flower bed is surrounded by the 4 meter wide, means ये यहाँ से 4 मीटर वाइड है और यहाँ से भी 4 मीटर वाइड है. एंड द डायामीटर ऑफ द फ्लावर बेड इज 66 मीटर. डायामीटर कितना दिया फ्लावर बेड का? 66 मीटर. व्हाट इज द एरिया ऑफ दिस पाथ? पाई वैल्यू इज गिवन 3.14. वी हैव टू फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ दिस पार्ट. ये एरिया हमने इस पाथ का पता करना है. ओके चिल्ड्रन, वेल दिस इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 14. The first we find the diameter is given of circular flower bed and the diameter is given 66. Diameter is given, so we can find the radius. Radius is always half of the diameter. It is divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 threes are 2 threes are, so it is 33 meter. So we can find the area of circular flower bed. Formula is pi r square and this time pi value is given 3.14. Radius is 33 into 33. Now I can multiply over here. 3.14 multiply by 33. 3 fours are 12, 1 3 ones are 3, 4 3 threes are 9. Multiply again, this will come 2 4 9 2 4 5 6 9 10 3 1 10 will come. Decimal के बाद 2 digit तो 1 2. Now again with 33. 3 twos are 6, 3 6 are 18, 1 3 threes are 9 10, 1 3 zeros are 0, 1 will come. 3 ones are 3. Again 6 8 0 1 3 will come. Do the additions. 6 8 9 10 14 1. This is 8 9 1 3 4 and 3. The decimal after 2 digit will become 4. So your final answer will be 3419.46 and this is come in meter square. Okay, we have finded the area. Now we can find the area. First, this is the flower bed. Flower bed diameter is given 66 and this flower bed is surrounded by 4 meter of path. तो द फ्लावर बेड का द रेडियस वी गॉट, रेडियस कितना मिला था फ्लावर बेड का? वी गॉट द रेडियस इज 33. वी गॉट रेडियस कितना? 33 एंड दिस पाथ वॉज एक्सटेंडेड 4 मीटर. तो द रेडियस ऑफ दिस बिगर ये बड़े सर्कल का रेडियस कितना हो जाएगा? 33 plus 4. It means it will be 37. So I am taking the area of now this big circle. So area of big circle, the formula, the area of the big circle. First we find the radius. How we get the 33 plus 4. 33 is the radius of the flower bed and the 4 meter is extended. 4 meter क्या है? That the wide path. So total radius will get 37 meter. And now we find the area. We get the formula is same, pi r square. Pi value is 3.14 and this time radius is 37 into 37. I am doing the multiplications of this thing. Again 3.14 will be multiplied by 37 7, 7 fours are 28, 7, 8, 9, 7 threes are 21, 3 fours are 12, 1, 3, 4, 3 threes are 9. So you get 8, 9, 10, 11, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10, 11. And now decimal after 2, the 1, 2. So now again this 116.18 is again multiplied by 7. So you will get 7 eights are 50, 6, 7 plus 5, 12, 1, 7 6 are 42, 40, 3, 7 plus 4, 11, 7 and 1, 8. Now multiply by 3, 3 eights are 20, 4, 3, 4, 5, 3 6 are 18, 3 ones are 3, 4, 3, 3 ones, 4, 3 ones are 3. Now your answer will come 6, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 12, 1, 4. The decimal will become after 2. So this is your final area 4298.66 meter square. Now we got the area of flower bed also, and we got the area of the bigger circle also. Now I will find the area of this part, that area of the bigger circle minus area of the flower bed. Now we have to find area of path, that will get the area of big circle minus area of circular okay, I am writing here circular flower bed, and the area of big circle is 4298.66, and the area of the flower bed is 3419.46. Now do the subtraction. I am doing the subtractions here, that is 4298.66 46.9143. 6 minus 6 0, 6 minus 4 2, decimal will become 8 minus not possible, 18 minus 9 9, 8 minus 1 7, 12 minus 4 8, 3 minus 3 0, and your final answer is 879.2. It is in meter square. So this area will come meter square. This is your final answer. Thank you children. If you like this video, share, like and subscribe our channel.